Hey everyone, it's July 9, 2025, and here are the biggest stories you need to know, right now. We'll hit everything from presidential moves to science shocks, natural disasters, and global trade. Former President Trump today ramped up tensions with Vladimir Putin, calling their exchanges bullshit and threatening new surprise sanctions. He also pledged to ship 10 Patriot missiles to Ukraine, despite the US only having 25% of its missile supply remaining. On top of that, Trump hinted at new tariffs, 200% on drugs, 50% on copper, after a recent diplomatic spat. Markets are watching closely, especially as copper prices hit record highs. Meanwhile in Texas, sudden flash floods have been devastating, over 100 people dead, and at least 160 missing. A summer camp along the Concho River washed out, tragically claiming 75 lives so far. It's a stark reminder of how extreme weather events are becoming more common. Science flash. July 9, 2025, is officially the shortest day in recorded history. Earth spun about 1.3 milliseconds faster than usual. Scientists link this to the moon's position and shifting natural forces. Don't worry, pageantry won't skip, but we may see a negative leap second by 2029 to realign our clocks. Big moves in global trade. President Trump's reciprocal tariffs pause, a 10% baseline, expires today. The U.S. Trade Representative is still negotiating bilateral deals with 18 countries. Only the UK and China have signed so far. If no agreement emerges, higher tariffs could come back online, likely disrupting global supply chains. Here are the international headlines. In the UK, Macron and Starmer are meeting to tackle the small boat migration crisis via new asylum exchange pacts. In the Middle East, 5 Israeli soldiers were killed in a Hamas ambush, escalating tensions again. And a heartwarming rescue in Switzerland. A Chihuahua saved its owner after he fell into a glacier crevasse. Quick hits before we wrap. The U.S. Supreme Court has allowed Trump's plan to mass lay off federal workers to proceed. New TSA rules now let travelers keep their shoes on during airport screenings, poised to end long airport lines. Read next. A Spanish-language journalist in Georgia is still in federal custody, even after being granted bond by an immigration judge. That's your major news rundown for July 9, 2025. Let's recap. Trump versus Putin and potential missile plus tariff moves. Heartbreaking Texas floods with over 100 dead. Fastest spinning day ever recorded. Trade deadline opens door to renewed tariffs. UK-France asylum talks, Middle East ambush plus feel-good puppy rescue. Drop your thoughts below. Do you think Patriot missiles to Ukraine are a good move? How can we better prepare for freak weather like Texas floods? And, did you feel time go faster today? Hit like if you found this helpful, subscribe for daily briefing, and ring that bell to never miss an update. See you tomorrow.